Imagine a world where it doesn't rain water, but instead it rains millions of carats of pure diamonds. It sounds like a scene from a sci-fi movie, or a wealthy person's ultimate dream. But in the deep, cold corners of our own solar system, this jaw-dropping phenomenon is an absolute reality. Welcome back to Space Wonders. Today we are taking a journey to the very edge of our solar system to explore the universe's most luxurious cosmic mystery, the diamond rain of Uranus and Neptune. Before we dive into the science of how this is even possible, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you never miss our cosmic journeys. Now let's travel billions of miles away into the dark. To understand how diamonds can fall from the sky, we first need to look at the planets themselves. Uranus and are the 7th and 8th planets from the Sun. They are famously known as the ice giants. Unlike Earth, which is rocky, or Jupiter and Saturn, which are mostly hydrogen and helium. These two planets are made of a thick, slushy mixture of water, ammonia, and most importantly, methane gas. Methane is what gives Neptune its beautiful deep blue color. In Uranus, its pale cyan glow. But beneath those calm, beautiful colors lies a violet, crushing environment that humanity can barely comprehend. As you dive deeper through the thick atmosphere of these ice giants, something incredible happens. The temperature climbs to thousands of degrees, and the atmospheric pressure becomes extreme. It is millions of times greater than the pressure on Earth. Under this unimaginable crushing force, the methane molecules, which are made of carbon and hydrogen, simply cannot hold together extreme pressure. Pressure literally rips the molecules apart, separating the hydrogen from the carbon. Once the carbon is free, the imprints the molality and heat squeeze it tighter and tighter, turning into solid carbon crystal. And what do we call solid compressed carbon on Earth? Diamonds. Once these diamonds form in the upper layers of the planet's interior, they become incredibly heavy. They begin to sink slowly through the warm mantle, raining down toward the rocky core, like a glittering slow-motion blizzard. But the mystery doesn't stop there. Scientists and planetary searchers believe that these diamonds aren't just tiny specks of dust. Some of these space diamonds could be as massive as bowling balls. Top researchers suggest that, closer to the core, the heat is so intense that these diamonds actually melt. This creates literal oceans of liquid diamond, with massive solid diamond icebergs floating on top. A treasure worth countless trillions of dollars. Completely untouched and unreachable. This makes you wonder, could humans ever go there and collect these space treasures? Unfortunately, with our current technology, possible any spacecraft we send would be instantly crushed by the planet's immense pressure, long before it could reach the diamond layers. Neptune and Uranus will keep their treasures to themselves for a very long time. If you had the chance to visit Neptune, would you brave the pressure for a handful of space diamonds? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for watching Space Wonders. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more mind-blowing secrets of the universe. See you in the next cosmic adventure.